Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model Y trunk seal air leak concerns and the likely reasons this issue may occur based on commonly documented quality and fitment patterns. In some Tesla Model Y vehicles, air leaks from the trunk or rear hatch area can be noticed as wind noise pressure changes or dust intrusion, especially at higher speeds. This concern has been discussed across multiple production periods and may vary depending on build quality adjustments and alignment tolerances rather than being tied to a single model year. Documented causes may include trunk seal misalignment, improper compression of the rear hatch, weather stripping, or uneven panel fit around the liftgate. Some vehicles may also show this if the hatch is not sitting flush or if body tolerances allow small gaps that permit airflow. Older production runs may experience this more frequently, while later builds could show improvements, although variation still exists. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions can include inspection and realignment of the rear hatch adjustment points, seal replacement if wear or deformation is confirmed, or professional evaluation to ensure proper closure pressure. These steps may help reduce air intrusion, but results can differ between vehicles. General owner feedback trends indicate that addressing seal alignment or hatch fit often improves the issue, although outcomes vary depending on build tolerances and prior adjustments. In conclusion, trunk seal air leaks on the Tesla Model Y can depend on manufacturing variation, alignment, and seal condition, and may not affect every vehicle in the same way. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.